Hi everyone, this is Passive Income Express coming to you, sharing with you another video of how to make money on your smartphone. Now everyone, I'm so excited by introducing and sharing with you this app I've been using to trade a demo account. I find it so exciting, guys, I can tell you that. Expert Options is an online trading app. You can trade online on your smartphone at any time. You can actually download the app for your smartphone. Expert Option is a good option because they offer a free demo account, no registration needed. Now I'll be going through with you on the app to look at some features with you. These are all the asset lists on the app. If you can see on the screen, you can trade over 100 assets, stocks, plus pairs of currencies. This is quite interesting. Now I am trading this demo account on a weekend. That is why we have some assets inactive on the app. Ooh, you even have McDonald's. I love their burgers. And so much more you can trade. You have your IPMs, your currencies, your USD, your Euro, GBP, silver, Amazon. The list is long. We have a long list of things you can trade on the app. Now, because it's a weekend, the cryptocurrencies are doing great. I'm gonna choose one cryptocurrency to trade and confirm that. And let's have a look also on the indicators. There are graph types you can choose from: the area, the lines, the candles. You can choose any you wish to trade with. I'll be choosing the candles. I think the candles are easier to understand. This is definitely a downtrend. I've chosen some indicators to use. There's more indicators that will tell you what is actually going on. If you can go long or go short, they'll actually help you to confirm that before placing a trade. I've chosen the parabolic SAR, the RSI, moving average, and my favorite, MACD. Right, this is definitely a downtrend, so I have placed an order. This is definitely a win. Let's see how it goes. Guys, and now there is a clock counting. It's 20 seconds left. The clock is gonna do the countdown, and then your trade, your order will be finished. So let's see what happens with this order. I have placed a trade. The trend is going down, so I have gone short. Now let's make some money. Yes, it's in the money. So guys, I have made about $8.50. There is a pop-up screen that's gonna come up now to show me how the trade went. You see, you can still place another trade here as well. There it is. It shows you the details of your trade. Where was the graph, what was happening, and where I placed my $5 and how much money I invested, $5, and my earnings. These are all details of the trade. It is so easy to make smart money on your smartphone and just become a trader. It is that easy. And now there is another feature that tells you all of your trading history, how much money you've made. So guys, I've been doing so well on the app, on my demo account. I'll be depositing that minimum deposit, which is $10, and if in South Africa it's about 155 rands to have a real account and start trading. And it's so exciting to see that they have a feature called social trading. You can see everyone who's been trading. Even if it's a weekend, there are people who are trading, guys, making money on this app. These are real people trading and making money on this app. Guys, you have to try this app and make money from your smartphone. If you've got nothing to do on the weekend and you really need to make money, try this app, guys. Try this app. As you can see, it's so easy. You just download it, trade the demo first before you deposit a minimum of $10, and then you can start building a mindset of a professional. Even if it's a small account, you can build it up. So guys, I think it's fun actually trading the binary options. And thank you for watching this video. I'll be seeing you next time. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.